come up to a
They'll be able to tell you all about that.
A lot of people call this morning glory. It's actually hedge bindweed. It's similar to a morning glory. But this will open for a day and close, and that'll be it. Usually flowers that you see that stay open for a while on your table, the actual flowers are these little teeny things. Each one opens up for a day, and you'll see them every day. It'll get closer and closer to the center. This is another one that I don't believe is native. I'm pretty sure that's not.
Can you see it?
It's just the right size. Beautiful. Can you get a?
And then the girls on both sides.
Yeah, that's where the wetland goes. Where Tom James and where we all met with the developer and we took them out.
It's going to take us a little bit to collect some fish. We're going to do like, I don't know, like 100, 200 feet or so, come up through here. I'll probably stop like up in here. I want to make sure I'm looking at the species and make sure we probably get everything that we're going to see today. But as I'm going through with this wand, it has a magnet, it completes the circuit, okay, and it puts the electricity on the water, and the electricity comes all the way back upstream to the cathode. We have it right in the water by there, so it completes that circuit, and then you'll hear this a beeping sound. That's when I have the electricity going, and it counts the number of seconds. And so, in doing that, this is a standardized way that we assess the biology, the fish species in the state of Ohio.
That's cool.
Oh wow!
Yeah, we got Brooks Stickleback.
There's another one right here.
Oh, yeah, there's a couple.
Yeah.
That looks like a pumpkin seed.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's some hybrid.
Mm-hmm.
They look like hybrids. Creek chubs.
Wow, that's good. Nice stuff in there.
Very cool.